Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back with the second Sudoku. And this will be a two-star Sudoku in the additional of yesterday's newspaper of Thursday, December the 24th. Yes, 2020. Today, no newspaper because it's Christmas Day. Yes. And tomorrow also no newspaper because tomorrow we have a second Christmas Day. So I will need to find some, or maybe I will do the quintuplet. Yes, quintuplet of this newspaper. Yes, I have a quintuplet. So I will solve the quintuplet for you tomorrow. And we have also a Sunday, no newspaper. The newspaper will come on Monday. Alright, this Sudoku will be number 2064. So let's get started. We see a 7 in this column, is in the last column, 7 in that column. So the column between, the only place for 7 should be here. 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above. So that row, only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column, so the first column. Only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between, the middle column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 1. All right. Let me see. Which digit can I pick? Pick. How about? The 8 in this row, the 8 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only place for an 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next, so that column, the last column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. Then, yeah, in this big square, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see there an 8. No 8 there, here an 8. No 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 8 could be here or could be there. So we have an 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this column and 8 in that column. So the middle column, the only 3 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 8. Let me see. Which number can I pick? How about the 4 in this column? 4 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 4 should be here. And then in this big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, no 1 in these 3 boxes. There 1, no 1 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 1. Should be here. And then all right. 7, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 missing numbers in the last column. Those numbers are the 1 is missing, the 6 is missing, and the 9 is missing. We see there 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be here. The 1 and the 9 are left. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. And then 1 in this column, 1 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. Then all right. I cannot continue with the 1. How about 2, 5, 9, 2, 5, 9, 2, 5, 9, 2. Yes. In this big square, 3 missing numbers. The 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, 2, 3, and the 6 is missing. 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 6. Remember this, 2, 3, 6, because the other 2 numbers, 2, 3, 6, the other 2 should be 2, 3, 6, the 9 and the 5 in this column. Yes, 9 and a 5, 2, 3, 6. So the other 2 should be 9 and a 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 9 goes there. So now 2 numbers left in this big square. The 2 and the 9. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 6. All right. How about 2, 3, 5? Yes, 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number is a 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers are left. Yeah. The 2 and the 3. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. So now 2 numbers left. The 6 and the 3 in this big square. Let me mark those 2 numbers. 192. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 9 and the 1. 9 and the 1. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Then 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5 is missing. 3, 5, and 6 are missing in this column. 3, 5, 6. 3, 5, 6. We see here 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. Only place for the 5 should be here. So the 3 and the 6 are left. 3 and the 6. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. All right. Let me see. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those numbers are the 3, the 5, and the 6. We see here 3 and a 5. So no 3 and a 5 in this box. The 3 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left should be the 6. All right. 2 numbers left in the second row for the numbers 4 and 8. 4 and 8. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. How about these 2 numbers in this row? The 3 and the 5. 3 and the 5. We have a 5 here. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 5 in the third column, 5 in the second column. So the first column, the only place for the 5 should be there. Now we have a 5 here, so this can be 5 anymore. This should be the 5, and this should be a 3. And all the 5s are used, I can see. Digit number 2. Then 3 in this row, 3 in the second row. So the third row, only 2 places for the 3 should be here. Oh, there we see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle columns and the column next. The only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Then 1, 2, 4, 1, 4, and 9. Yes, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 9. We see here 9, no 9 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 should be here. The 1 and the 4 are missing in this big square. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 4 goes there. And then we have a 1 in this column, the 1 in the middle columns and the column next. Only 3 places for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be here. And all the 1s are used, I can see. Digit number 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing and the 8 is missing. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 6 goes there. 1 number left in the middle column for the number 6. 1 number left in this big square for the number 4. 1 number left in the second row for the number 8. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 4. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. I'll mark them for you so you can follow it easier. 1 box left in the middle row for the number 4. Now we have a 4 here. So this can't be 4 anymore. This should be the 4 and this should be a 2. 2 boxes left in this big square. The 2 and the 9 are missing. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 2 goes there. 9 in this column, 9 in the second column, so the third column. The only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 1 number left in the third column for the number 2. 1 number left in the second column for the number 6. Now we have a 6 here, so this can't be 6 anymore. This should be the 6 and this should be a 3. Final 2 numbers of this big square, the 3 and the 4. 3 and the 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 3 goes there. Finish in 30 minutes. All right, and now it's 14. Yes, 30 minutes. So yeah, almost the same difficulty level as the previous Sudoku. Yes, I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit the bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudoku movies to my channel in the future. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you later with the last 2 Sudokus, a tectonic one and a binary one. See you later. Bye bye for now.